What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time since I've done a video. This is gonna be a different type of video. I'm gonna do it on this go-kart. So I got this duromax. I got this duromax 7 horsepower 208cc motor. See, and it's got an electric start. Starter. Battery's gonna go right there, and so I'm putting a new carburetor on it today, so I'm gonna film it. So I'm gonna make it easier on me and easier on you, so you can see, because I got the gas tank off and everything. So I'm gonna take this motor off, put it up there on the stand. I did a little behind the scenes work. I already got this attached to the carburetor because that would be boring if I showed that. Got a belt drive system. I already got oil in it. I'll probably end up doing a cam later. I'm gonna order an exhaust pipe and a battery tonight for it off Amazon, of course. Where else would I get it? And I'm gonna take the switch box apart when I get the battery, take the switch out of it, put it right there. See that hole right there? I don't know if you can see it, but there's a hole right there. Anyway, so yeah, I got the gas tank off, everything. It's just 4 bolts holding the motor on. Here's your battery cable, and yeah. So let's get to it.
Soundstripe. 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 Soundstripe.
So y'all, we got all of the carburetor and stuff, old carburetor and stuff off, choke works, everything. So see, it opens up all the way.
Soundstripe.
Yes, I installed it right. I took the gas tank off, put the fuel line on, put a hotter spark plug in it. Didn't get the exhaust yet, but I'm gonna do that tonight. I'll get that in the battery for the electric start, of course. I still got full starter for now, but it'll work. And then, anyway, so we are fixing to install it on the cart. I will rev it with my hand with the cable like I did to show you at the throttle thing. Slide got all the way open. Then I will fix the throttle cable so it'll work when I push the gas. Then we will go test it out, and I will get a video of that also as well. So let's get this motor off. And I'm not this motor off. Let's get this motor on, crank it up, rev it, do some stuff like that. Then we will go drive it tonight, hopefully. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, so y'all, I'm fixing to get this motor on there. I got my motor bolts ready. So let's get to it. I'm gonna go get the motor. one. This front one. I've been waiting to do this for a while now. Yeah, it'll be exciting to see what happens. I'll zip tie these up somewhere. Okay. More engine bolt. Let's get this one started so it won't move. Put it up on the jack. Stand. Get up under it good. Hold. Got it. Sorry about that. Got her started. Okay, let's get this front one started. Now, let's see if I can. Okay, so it's on. Tighten it. Put the air filter on. Pull it outside. We'll crank her up and rev it. Okay, I will see them because this will all be boring if we have to. Let's see if I can. So it's on. Tighten it. Put the air filter on. Pull it outside. We'll crank her up and rev it. Okay, I will see them because this will all be boring if we have to. Okay, so y'all, this video took an unexpected turn. I was just gonna, so when I stopped that video, I got everything that I was gonna do done.
Sounds right.
And I did all that, and I was gonna test crank it, so it wouldn't be the first time I'd hear it before. Anyway,
Sounds right.
so when I cranked it up, we noticed there was like a knocking noise. I think a nut went down either in there, don't know how it got there, or down in the motor. And I don't know how it got there either. So it's gonna be too long a video, so I'll have to do in the next video. So y'all, I hope you enjoyed the video. I love you.